Guys, and welcome to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can perform reverse Google image search on your iOS device. So on the first step, open the Safari app, then go to the google.com, and now click on this little AI icon. Then look for the desktop settings, request desktop website, and click on the camera icon. Now choose upload a file, select the source of it, and choose the picture that you want to search in Google, like this one. Now click on the done, and whole process runs automatically, and now we're looking for similar or the same image in the Google Picture database. And this is how it looks and how you can do it with a Google Lens feature. That's it. Thanks for the watching, leave us a like or a comment, and goodbye.